Every night, while you sleep, something extraordinary begins inside your brain. As your body lies still, your brain becomes intensely active, repairing, organizing, and protecting your life. Sleep is not a shutdown. It's one of the most complex biological processes in the human body. As you fall asleep, your brain starts to slow the outside world. Your heart rate drops, your breathing becomes deeper, your muscles relax. Inside your brain, electrical signals shift into slower rhythms. This is the transition from wakefulness to recovery. Now, deep non-REM sleep begins. This is where true repair happens. Brain cells start fixing microscopic damage caused by stress, learning, and daily activity. Neurons strengthen their connections, rebuilding the pathways that control focus, movement, and decision-making. Without this stage of sleep, the brain slowly loses efficiency, like a machine running without maintenance. Then, the brain enters REM sleep. Your eyes move rapidly beneath closed eyelids, and the brain becomes highly active again. This is when memories are sorted, deciding what to keep and what to forget. Emotional experiences are processed. Creativity is restored. Dreams are not random. They are the brain's way of organizing your life. While you sleep, your brain also cleans itself. A special system called the glymphatic system activates only during deep sleep. Fluid flows through brain tissue, washing away toxic waste proteins. These toxins are linked to memory loss and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Without sleep, this waste begins to build up, silently damaging the brain over time. By morning, your brain has been repaired, cleaned, and reorganized. This is why good sleep improves memory, focus, and emotional balance, and why poor sleep slowly affects mood, health, and lifespan. Sleep isn't wasted time, it's survival. Every night, your brain works to protect you, even when you're not aware of it.